Hello dear kids, in this video we are going to learn the first EVS lesson, body parts. Here are the pictures of two children, Soham and Rita. They have also grown up like you. Let us look at some of the parts of their bodies. This is Soham. This boy name is Soham and this girl name is Rita. Let's learn the front body parts of the Soham. This body part is called head. Head. This is chest. From here till here, this body part is called arm. This is called hand. And these small five are there, no? That is called fingers. From here till here, this part of the body is called leg. This is called knee. And these small fingers are there of the leg is called toes. These all are called toes. This is called neck. This is our stomach. And the last one is foot. Now let's learn the Rita's backside body parts. This is the hair, that is hair. This is called shoulder. This body part is called shoulder. This is called back. This is called knee. And this one is wrist. These are called fingers. This body part is called thigh. And the last one, this part of our body is called ankle. So this is about Soham and Rita's front and backside body parts. Look at the Soham and observe the different parts of his face. This is Soham face. And now let's learn how many body parts are there in his face. So first one, eye. This is eye. This is nose. This is nose. This is mouth. This is called above one, forehead. This is ear. How many ears we have? Two, na? Here and here. So this is ears. This is cheek. This is called teeth. And the last one is called lip. Here red color is and that is called lip. In the next page, now let us learn little more about the certain parts of our body. First one is head. Where is our head? Show me. Where is our head? See here. This is our head. Our head rests on our neck. Our heads rest on our neck. We have hairs on our head. We have hairs, no black hairs. That is there on our head. Left and right. It can shake left, right. Up and down. It can, the head can up and down. Can our head turn all around? Our head can turn all around. Neck. Our neck help us to move our head. Our neck help us to move our head now? Yes. Hands. Our hands help us to hold things. Our hand help us to hold things. Now this girl is holding the pencil in her hand. Like this we can hold anything what we are in need of. We write with our hand. Yes, how do we write? With our hands only, no? Like just like the girl is writing in the picture. Stomach. Food from our mouth goes to our stomach. How we can have our food? We can have our food with our mouth. It will goes to our stomach. This stomach is there, no? There it goes. Next one, legs and feet. Help us to kick the ball. See here in the picture, the boy is kicking this football now. For this sake, we need legs to run on the ground. Legs help us to run on the ground like this. To stand and walk. In order to stand and walk, we need legs. See here in the picture, the boy is walking. So, how he is walking? He is walking on the leg. Or jump around. For jumping, for skipping, for running, for everything we need legs. Name the following parts of your body with which you can run. By with which you can run? With our legs. Second one, a part of your body with which you can move your head. By with which we can move our head? We can move our head with neck. Third one, a part of your body with which you can comb your hair. By which part of our body we can comb our hair? Hand. With hand we can comb our hair. The next exercise. Mark and label the following parts of the body in the picture given. Here, the list of our body parts are given. By seeing these names, body parts names, we have to mention in the picture. See here, one boy picture is given. We have to identify which part of the body is there in this. So, here, first one, hair, mouth, arm, this is shoulder, fingers, leg, eye, this is ear, this is called neck, here stomach, hand, knee. So, these all are the body parts mentioned here, which is listed above. Next, rewrite the jumbled words in the correct form. Then find these words in the grid. See here, one big box is given, that is the grid. Here, few words are there which are jumbled. These spellings are jumbled. So, we have to convert it in the meaningful word. See here, TFEE. That is not a word. If you write like this means FEET, feet. Here is the C. So, circle it. Feet. Stomach. See here is stomach. Stomach. Hair. Where is the hair here? Head. Where is the head here? HEAD, head. Mouth. Where is the mouth here? See here, here is the mouth. Neck. Where is the neck? See here. Neck. Back. Where is the back here? See here. Back. So these are all the jumbled words which are converted into the meaningful parts of the body. Thank you. Write this all neatly in your EVS textbook. Thank you.